Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Porsche 911 key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a fresh CR2032 battery, which is a common coin cell type. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver will be indispensable for this task. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit surface to work on, preventing any small parts from getting lost. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and quick, typically taking less than 5 minutes. Now, let's carefully open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually found on the side or back of the fob. Press this button firmly to extend the mechanical key blade. With the blade extended, you'll notice a small slot or indentation near where the blade retracts. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you can now access the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment, paying close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the same slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction. Press down gently to ensure it's seated securely. This step is crucial for proper electrical contact and key fob functionality. The battery should fit snugly without excessive force. Finally, let's reassemble your Porsche 911 key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are correctly positioned. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Retract the mechanical key blade back into its housing. Before you finish, it's a good idea to test the key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your Porsche 911 to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.